talk about simultaneous equations. As you can see, we've got two equations which are 2x plus y equals to 10 and x minus y equals to 2. These actually are two lines in the xy plane to which a single unique solution exists. There are actually two methods to find the solution to these two equations, which are the substitution method and the elimination method. But today we're only going to look at the graphical representation of simultaneous equations and how we can find the solution using the graph of these two equations. So let's start off with the first equation, which is 2x plus y equals to 10. So we start with actually making y the subject of the formula, which is y equals to negative 2x plus 10. We know that the gradient of this equation becomes negative and the y-intercept is 10. So we know that the graph crosses the y-axis at x equals to 0 and y equals to 10. Now we need to find the x coordinate of this particular graph in order to get 2 points in order to graph this equation. So for that, all we need to do is to put y equals to 0. We put 0 equals to negative 2x plus 10. We find out that 2x equals to 10, and then we divide both sides by 2 in order to get x equals to 5. So the graph intersects the x-axis at x equals to 5 and y equals to 0. So we have 2 points now, which is 0, 10 and 5, 0. Yeah. So these 2 points are actually all that we need in order to graph the equation of this particular simultaneous set. The first equation of this simultaneous set. Moving on to the second equation, we've got x minus y equals to 2. We make y the subject of the formula. We find out that y equals to x minus 2. So the gradient of this is 1 and the y-intercept is negative 2. So now we know that the equation crosses the y-axis at x equals to 0 and y equals to negative 2. Now moving on, what we do is we put y equals to 0. So that is 0 equals to x minus 2. Essentially x becomes 2. So again, we've got 2 points, which is 0, negative 2 and 2, 0. If we draw a line through these 2 points, we again get a new line which intersects the original line at a particular point. If the graph is accurately drawn, we can find out that the values at which the particular point at which these equations intersect is x equals to 4 and y equals to 2. In the next few videos, we're going to find out how to find the solution of simultaneous equations through the substitution and elimination method. Thank you.